Exactly the way I left the last video. I said watch for a dollar next on this thing. All right, if you go back to my last video, right up here at a what is that, a $1.09, roughly $1.09, $1.10 area is the next area of resistance. I said to watch for it to break that 98-cent area, and we did break it. Okay, so the next area of resistance up here, which was right at roughly $1.03, okay, which I don't think it's going to have a lot of trouble with. I'd watch for it to head up to that $1.10, okay, and overall the 618 fib up here is at $1.15, and we're looking for it to get up here around $1.24 to $1.26. Not financial advice, guys, that's just what the Fibonacci shows, okay. I'm not a financial advisor, all right, I just show you what the chart says and what the chart price targets it's given you. Okay, now let's take a look at some RSIs and see. Let's zoom in here a little bit, all right, and see what's going on here. All right, you had this push up. Look at the volume coming in on the daily, 34 million right here in this green candle. All right, the daily RSI still heading up. All right, so according to this, you know, this thing could go higher. The 12-hour is still bullish at a 92 and an 87. You got your 8-hour trying to turn back up. Look at it, 64 and a 68. Look at the curve, and it's trying to turn back up. All right, so trying to make a higher move than that. The 4-hour is at 83 and a 56, still bullish. Okay, so you got these areas up through here to watch for. You can see this push up here. Watch next for you know, if we get up to that $1.03, and if it breaks that, you know, up around $1.09. Okay, so keep an eye on these levels. These are weekly resistance levels. Well, this actually would be a little bit higher up here. I apologize. Yeah, around $1.09.5, roughly $1.10, right up in that zone, right up around $1.09. Okay, this one here, yeah, right about, you know, you got wicks all through here, so I don't see a ton of resistance through this $1.03 area. You know, if you pull this down, you can see your bigger resistance areas. You can spot them right out. Okay, especially look at this up here. This was all a big area of support and resistance up through here. All right, you had a big area right here of resistance here. Resistance up through here, you know, see the resistance, then you hit it here, right? There's not a lot up through here, just a lot of wicks. Okay, right at that $1.03 level, could be a little bit of resistance, but I'd be more or less be watching for this level up here around $1.09. Okay, $1.09 to $1.10. That looks like the next major area. Okay, then after that you got the $1.13, $1.13.5. and then $1.18. Okay, so, but overall, if we take a Fibonacci and put on this thing, you know, you're looking for these higher price levels. Okay, and if you don't know how to use this, guys, a level 3 membership for 15 bucks you can sign up for. Teaches you all this stuff. $15. All right, just to learn how to use this fib is worth 15 bucks. All right, you have the 618 up here on $1.16, which is lining up with that $1.17 to $1.18 level. And then look at the 702 up around $1.26. Give us a $1.25 target. So keep an eye on them higher levels. I truly believe it'll get up there. These Fibonacci's are gold, man. If you learn how to use them, and then if you learn how to use them looking for pullbacks, they are worth their weight in gold. I love this thing. If I had one thing to trade with, it would be this. I mean, flat out, give me a Fibonacci. I mean, they work. It's unbelievable. So, all right, guys, thank you very much. Please hit the like and subscribe. Keep an eye on these higher targets, you know, up there. First, we got to break that $1.03, then that $1.10 area, and then $1.16 up to $1.25. So looking pretty good. Got very, very good support down here at roughly 93 cents, and then up at what is that, about 98 cents. Very good support up through there. All right, so I'm looking for higher prices here. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Have a great night.